Hey there, it's Gina, and in this video we're actually going to do a furniture flip. So I was helping out a friend and I spotted this in her trash pile. She was absolutely getting rid of it, and I knew that I had been seeing this easy off furniture stripping hack all over Instagram. So I wanted to try it, and I have ideas, I have thoughts to explain on this situation. First of all, I don't know that this project is necessarily any easier than using a furniture stripper. I did try it. It took probably about 8 times. Now, I don't know if it's the type of wood that it was or if it was just maybe that it's not the best method to remove varnish from furniture, but this was a solid wood, like cherry style plant stand, and honestly it was scratched and outdated, and so I thought I'll try it. I mean, it was going to end up in the trash anyway. So I gave it a solid layer and then I let it set for about an hour. And once the hour was up, I took a scrub brush and I started scrubbing. Now, you can see that it's in some of the areas it really started to lift up all of the grunge and the grime. So just a plain scrub brush, plain water, nothing fancy. There's nothing else in there. And then I use it and I really go to town and scrub the piece. I scrub all into the edges. I scrub the legs really well. And it took probably 3 or 4 times before that thick varnish that was on this piece to come off to start with. In some of the nooks and crannies on the legs, especially where the varnish was thinner, it did start to peel up faster, but it took several attempts before it even ate through the varnish on the top and down on the shelf on the bottom, the like flat spots. I'm gonna be honest, I've used citrus strip and now I've used the furniture, the oven cleaner furniture. It's not as labor intensive because honestly it's just a scrub brush and then you spray it off with water. I would not recommend a power washer, though I have seen some people recommend that. We just used our water hose. We would scrub it and then spray it down, let it completely dry, and then do another round. Like I said, it took about 8 rounds. And I don't know. This was after, I think, attempt number 4. Eventually, it did start to break down, but this is not the fastest way. It's really, truly not. So if you're going to give this a try, maybe if you tried it on something that wasn't as thick as this or as old as this. However, in the end, I will tell you, the before and the after are dramatically different. I'm glad that I did the piece. I'm glad that I tried it. I don't know that I would try it again, but that's my 2 cents. Hope you enjoyed this project, and I will see you again soon.